Hey there, welcome back to SysTools YouTube channel, your go-to place for quick and easy solutions to tech challenges. In today's video, we're diving into Excel to PDF converter. Whether you're looking for step-by-step guidance or a powerful tool to get the job done effortlessly, you're in the right place. Here at SysTools, we believe in making things simple, effective, and stress-free. That's why we'll also introduce you to an amazing tool by SysTools that can help you export Excel file into PDF file format with just a few clicks. To install the software tool, download from the link in the video description. After installing the software, simply launch it. The main screen will appear. The software has user interface. Here, you will see two options to add your data, add files or add folders option. Click on any one option. Select the Excel file and click on Open button. If you have added wrong file, then select that file and click on Remove or Remove All option. If any of the added files are encrypted with a password, then users can add the password in the password section to help the software process. Now click on Next button. If you click on any file, you can see the file preview right side of the pane. After previewing the files, click on Next button. In Header and Footer settings, check the Header box. In Text option, type what you want to appear in header. Header position will be top middle. In Footer section, check Footer box and type text which you want to appear. Select Footer position as per your requirement. In Font settings, choose Font, Font size and font color. In Page layout setting, you can set margins from top, bottom, left and right as per your requirement. In Paper layout, set paper orientation portrait or landscape. Select paper size, A4, A3, and letter. Bates number format, start number, increment by and set the position. In Date stamp, select position and date format. If you want to add a password to one file or all files at once, then check the Add Password on Output PDF Files box option. Now browse the destination location, click on Change button. Select a folder to save the resulting files. After all the settings, click on Next button. This window only appears if you choose to add password on Output PDF files. Here either apply the same password to all the exported PDF files or give them separate passwords one at a time. At last, click on Export button to start the conversion process. Tool will start the conversion process. After completing the process, Export process completed successfully pops up. Click on OK. And you will see the conversion status, total file count, success file count and failed file count. Now, click on View Report button to go to the destination folder and view the generated PDF files and export report. And that's it. Log on to the given product page for more detail and purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.